Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet. Today we're doing an update for my lip service collab with the PANtastic ladies, and let's go ahead and just get into it. This is my first update, and I've made some good progress, surprisingly. So what I've been doing is for mine, because it's very customizable, you can kind of just do it however you want. It's a year-long project. Watch my intro if you want to find out more about that. But anyways, what I decided to do is to take one product from every category and just kind of work through them that way. So my first item would be lip scrub. So lip scrub. I have this e.l.f. Cherry Tart lip scrub. There it is, and I'll just kind of show you that. I don't want to get it all over the place, so I have a picture I'll insert. So, lip scrub, not quite done. Getting some good progress on there though. You know, it's like, that's not bad. It's not too shabby. So we're getting there. Not done though. Okay, and then I had like a lip balm or lip treatment. So I was here when I started this Hanalei lip treatment, and it looks like there's stuff in here, but it's air, because I don't know if you can see. You can see that it just spins and spins. The cap on here broke. Yeah, lip balm. Next category would be lip liner. So for that, I have this Model Co. Illusion lip liner, and I will insert a picture so you can see my progress on that. But just a little bit. I've made a little bit of progress. Slow and steady. It's a year-long project. Next is my Tarte Lip Surgeons in Wonder. So, I don't know, can you see that little silver line below there? I forgot to get another pen to mark it, but yeah, so there's a little bit of progress there as well. Moving right along on that. So, lipstick. Then I moved on to my next category, which is a liquid lipstick. And for that I chose the Balm Meet Matte Hues in Committed. It's a liquid lipstick. I don't know if you can see that, but there's that. It's pretty clean. And then if you can see in here, it is pretty well cleaned out. Can't get anything else out of that. So this one's done. Okay. Yeah. Liquid lipstick. Gloss. So for gloss, I had this Buxom White Russian. Honestly, like, it was just this last little bit from the M down, and it's empty. I did try to scrape the sides, and the stoppers on the Buxom lip glosses are really hard to remove, so I did not bother. But I got as much as I possibly could out of this. I did the little hot water trick. There was just that very little bit at the bottom that it doesn't reach, so that one's done. Okay, so to replace items that I finished up, I'm gonna go ahead and roll something in from the same category. So we'll start with lip balm. This was in a different project. This is my Jersey Shore Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm in Peppermint. So there's that. But it's about right there. So yeah. Anyway, I will insert a picture So basically I did start this after my original video, so I just rolled it in early, like as soon as I ran out of the Hana lei. So as soon as I ran out of this, I went ahead and rolled this in. So I've made quite a lot of progress on that, as you can see by that picture. And then to roll in something to replace the empty liquid lipstick, I went with this Ofra Long Lasting liquid lipstick in the color Pasadena, which interestingly enough is pretty close to where I'm from. So this guy, there is just no way to see in there where we are. Yeah, it smells good though. But yeah, so we'll see. I really like this color and I really love this formula. I think this is my favorite color that they make, Pasadena. Love. So we'll see if I can't finish that by the next update, and if I do, I'll just roll something else in. So to replace my Buxom White Russian lip gloss, I went ahead and I rolled in this Noya lip gloss in Malbec is the color. And if you can see, this was full when I rolled it in. So I got it in a BoxyCharm like a while ago, and I used it like one day and then I lost it, and I finally found it in a bag that I hadn't used in a long time. So it was full, minus like that one day's worth. So here it is, and you can see that silver line. I have actually surprisingly made a really good bit of progress on that. So yeah, that's everything. And like I say, if I use something up, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll it in right away so I can get through as many of these lip products before the end of the year as possible, because I do have a lot that I just want to kind of get out. I'm going by the oldest lipsticks, the oldest lip products first. So that's kind of what I'm doing. So yeah, that's it. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, comment, suggest anything, go ahead. You know where to do it. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.